Hey Bo, check this idea that I have. This is a plastic sleeve with a tension washer inside, and I put 4 magnets around it. The ones that the FastCap has that are kind of round, but instead of 2, this is 4. Look the way I use this. I put the sleeve in there, and in the washer tension keeps it in place. And I have my other magnet in here from FastCap. Look. If I don't need it, because I need to put a screw in an angle like a toenail or something, I'll remove that, put it in place. With that in place, with this one in place, you can do that. And a lot of the times, it becomes a problem. So that's why I make this to be removable. And if you don't need it that long, you can put it to a smaller one, and it has a stopper, so you maximize the magnets on it. If you need more screws, look, I know where my screws are. Pull the screws, put it in place, keep working. I hope you like this idea. Thanks.